So today we are going to do a review of Pilot Metropolitan, which is known as Pilot Metropolitan in all the parts of the world, and as Pilot MR1, MR2, MR3 in European countries. Why that's like that, I also don't know. But yes, one difference is that the Pilot Metropolitan uses its own cartridge, proprietary cartridge, which you would say, a cartridge which only Pilot makes, and other companies' cartridges, standard international cartridges, you cannot just buy them and shove it into a Pilot Metropolitan and it would work. No, it won't work. So that's the disadvantage of Pilot Metropolitan. And Pilot MR1, MR2, MR3, which are marketed in Europe, take a standard international cartridge. So basically, if you have other fountain pens, and you can just interchange the cartridges. Now you would ask, why would I even need to interchange a cartridge? Because I have my own cartridge with Pilot, which comes with the pen. Inside the pen, the cartridge is already fitted. That's because it has a bladder converter. The converter which comes with it is a bladder type converter, which is made of rubber and has a very low capacity. Because of the rubber, you cannot even risk using a syringe to fill it directly, because you never know when you might pierce the rubber and then the cartridge is destroyed for good. Oh, sorry, for bad. So uh, that is why. And this is the pen, Pilot Metropolitan. You can see its nib looks pretty elegant. It's written Pilot, and below it it's written F, which means fine nib, which is not visible. And this is the body. It's pure brass. And you won't believe me, this pen I have been possessing it for about a year. It's been 1 year almost, or more than that, but it's holding up well. There are no discolorations. On the cap also there is Pilot Japan mentioned, as you can see. The only thing I don't like about this pen is that vertical band behind the nib. Looks so boring. And it closes with a nice click. However, the cap doesn't fit behind the pen. If you put it behind the pen, there's a risk of it falling out. So that's it. Elegant pen by Pilot Metropolitan. The only problem with this pen is it doesn't use a standard international cartridge, so you cannot refill it with whatever cartridge you get. It comes with this bladder converter, which has a very low capacity and will never get filled to the brim. And the other sad part is that since it's a rubber converter, I also avoid using syringe to fill it directly, because it might pierce the rubber and then you're destroyed. So I can't even use a syringe to fill this. It's pretty risky. I can't even begin to tell you how pretty this color is, because this video is not doing it justice. I have a really cheap phone, and I'm a cheapo, so I don't plan on buying a new phone either anytime soon. So you see this swatch here, this swatch of colors? It's actually violet, a very pretty violet, and I would highly recommend you that if you are making your notes or something, then use this pen. It's very pretty, very pretty. Use this color. Very, very pretty. Murasaki Shikibu by Pilot. The ink which I have used is the purple color Murasaki Shikibu. In India, the MRP is around 1400 and it cost me around 1300. I bought it on Amazon. Actually, I got it as a gift. So this is the cartridge which I have used. Brill, they have their own website, but the minimum order value is 500. So I just added random pencils and erasers and scale matlab ruler and stuff, and I bought this and I cut this upper part, and I made uh, fake cartridge